Tommy's L98 6-litre manual VE. So this one's got a bit of a story to tell. It was originally booked in for one of our hidden cam packages and had already had a camshaft in it, but it was making some pretty wild noises. Once we got it stripped down, it was nasty, man. The cam bearings were shot, lifters were gone. The cam bearings had actually come off the main part of the crank, the cam bearings had dropped off the actual block and were stuck, like pretty much welded to the camshaft. We practically had to cut it all out to get it out. So she was absolutely shagged once we got to it. But Tommy, cruisy as dude, he was just like, yeah, look, just get it fixed, make it right. So we yanked the engine out, obviously got the camshaft out, gave it a bit of a freshen up, some new slugs. And we thought, you know, while we're at it, let's go with the Tooley Racing Stage 5 version 2 camshaft. Now, this camshaft, and the reason why we chose this cam, we were already putting some slugs in it, pistons. This camshaft absolutely requires PTV, so piston to valve clearance. This camshaft will crash on flat tops if it doesn't have a valve relief. So we put some slugs in it with some valve reliefs. Did all that. Andrew from Blackwell Racing CNC heads, done a set of magic heads like he always does, and then obviously got everything all set up, fixed the camshaft bearings, got it all back together, and this car was pretty much right at the end as we were closing down for the 25 season. So the boys, we just got everything back. So it was their first job off the rank, and they've got it all done, and I've sort of just snuck in over the Christmas break to do the tuning on it. But yeah, look, it's come up absolutely awesome. We ended up putting a set of DPE inch and 7/8 4-into-1 headers on it. It already had a twin 3-inch system already on it, but the customer also purchased some of the Racecraft rear cannons, which are pretty cool. First car I've used these on, and yeah, it's got a bit of a unique sound to it, that's for sure. So that's how the back look. Some people love the dumpers, some people don't like them. But yeah, each to their own. It actually sounds pretty cool, and you know, look, there's a lot of Commodores out there that are cammed, and it definitely has its own unique sound. And the Stage 5 cam, it's lopey. It's actually really, really lopey, and hopefully the video, it's always hard to get the sound right, but it's got a real lopey sound to it, and trust me, like if the video doesn't come out quite good, you got to take my word on it. It does sound really cool, and these Racecraft rear mufflers just give it that real deep, you know, throaty sound that these cars really should have. And I'm quite happy with them. They're pretty cool. So we might have to add these to the add them to our inventory. But yeah, look, it's come up good. So nice fresh engine, good cylinder heads. Not over the top in the package. You know, put a set of Tooley rockers on there. This camshaft is pretty much right at the end of what you want to use with the standard rocker ratio. So you really do need to move to the Tooley ones. It's got a little bit more headroom on the tips. Just to allow for that 640 odd lift that this camshaft has. So using LS7 lifters, BTR push rods, BTR trunnions, you know, it's all the BTR gear, BTR chain gears, you know, everything's BTR in it. So we're keeping the whole lot now on the shelf. Just so much easier for us to keep it all and make it easier for you guys. So camshaft specifications. So it's a 235 250X. 646 on the lift, 111 LSA, and I will bring up a photo of it. No cam card, sorry, I should have got it here, but the boys were pretty quick to pack it away. But that's the camshaft on our website, that's the details there. So as everything available from our website. But here's where the magic is, so let's check it out. So, sorry, no before run. Car was absolutely shagged when we got it, so we couldn't do it. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything there. Power figure, 382 kilowatts, 586 newton meters of torque. And you can see this camshaft, a little bit lazy off the bottom. You know, it's a bit lazy up to 3,200 revs. But you can see with the torque, you know, it's sort of holding around that sort of 400 newton meters as it comes on. But then once it hits that 3,000 revs, it just charges on and just, you know, pulls all the way to redline, which is about 7,200 revs max. Max torque is at 5,600 revs, which is right there. This is a top-end camshaft. This is the sort of cam you stick in something that you are going to rev and you are going to use. The manifold is holding it back. Now, we got one of the Nick Williams 103 throttle bodies. We thought, you know what, let's just try it out on here, because I had a bit of suspicion. Maybe there's a bit in it, maybe there isn't, I don't know. So we stuck one on it and it did nothing. There was nothing in it. So I'm going to say the 380 sort of rear or hub kilowatts, 380, is about the limitations of the factory 6-litre manifold. Now, I haven't got into the porting side of it, and I've still got the GM Motorsport one I want to get and test it out. I've got to get on the Fonzie and get one of those. But I reckon there's probably another 10 to 12 in a good manifold, and there's probably another 2 or 3, maybe 5 kilowatts in a throttle body, give or take. I know it's hard to say. So I reckon we're really close to hitting that 400 kilowatt mark. Understand that this is a L98. Sorry that the dyno shed actually said L77, but it's an L98, so 6-litre. You know, this is a good result. It's a very, very good result. But this is the sort of cam you stick in. If it's you know, it's full top end camshaft. This is something that you're going to go out and you're going to scream it. Yeah, it's not very friendly off the bottom. It is a much bigger cam. It's expected. There's a lot more trade-off. But if you're someone who wants to get a manual, get into it, or even an auto with a nice, 3500, 3600 converter, something like that. Oh, mate, awesome drag thing. Like as a drag combo out on the drag strip, street and strip sort of thing, or a bit of a street racer. This camshaft will tick all the boxes. Would I use it every day? Depends how sensitive you are, how precious you can be. Like that's a hard one to say. But I could drive it every day if I wanted to. My neighbours would hate it, but I could do it. And probably most people could do so as well. But yeah, a little bit lazy off the bottom in comparison to the Stage 4. The Stage 4 BTR, from what I can see on the graph, the Stage 4 is probably a little bit better off the bottom, which you would expect so. But once I get this camshaft into our red development VE, the test car, we'll be able to get it true. So the next test for that Commodore, for that car, is to get the Brian Tooley Stage 4 and Stage 5, test those two together, and then start doing some cylinder head testing, you know. So, but yeah, in the meantime, this is the first time we've used the Stage 5 version 2. I'm making a mess out of this dyno graph too. I'll put version 5 here, so it's Stage 5 version 2, my apologies. Just noticed that while I was not making the video. But yeah, look, awesome camshaft. If you're thinking about going up a notch to the bigger cam, you already got the engine in pieces, don't mind putting a set of pistons in there with a set of valve reliefs, then yeah, absolutely go for the Brian Tooley Stage 5. It's a banger camshaft. If you don't want to go down that path, then the Stage 4 is about as big as you can basically go before you need to start getting pretty funky with the pistons. So, but anyway, guys, hope you liked it. Hope you liked the sound of it. I pray that the video come out good with the sound clip. And if it doesn't, you've just got to take my word on it. I mean, look, honestly, any of the Brian Tooley camshafts, you cannot go wrong. They are all pick of the bunch. They're just awesome. So absolutely stoked. Stoked with the result. Tommy's going to be stoked with it. He's going to love it. It's going to absolutely rip on the street, which is cool. And yeah, sounds great. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If you want a BTR camshaft or anything from BTR, you know what to do. Go to my website. Got it all online. Got it all in stock. Thanks again. Catch you later. Bye.